Hi guys, and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you the Boolean or logical operators in Java. So I'm having here a sample program. So basically we're having an integer x with the value of 3, we're having an integer y with value of 6, and since this is logical or Boolean operators, so the result is going to be a Boolean um, um, result. So it's whether true or false. So the first operator is the less than operator. So if x is less than y, then this is gonna be true. So in our case, x is 3, y is 6. So it's obvious that x is less than y. So the result is true. Then the next operator is the greater than. So this is obviously going to be false. And then the less than or equal operator. So it's going to be true if the x is less than or the x is equal to 4. So actually x is 3, so this is true. And then we're having the greater than or equal to operator. So if y is greater than or equal to 7, then the result is going to be true. So actually the y is 6, so the result is false. Then we're having the equal operator. So actually the equal operator, the single equal operator, is an assignment operator, which means that it takes the result from the right hand side, it evaluates the result, and then takes this result and put it in our variable, or assigns the result to our variable. So this is called the assignment operator. While the double equal operator that we're having right here is actually a comparison operator. So it compares the value of x and the value of y. So if x is equal to y, then this is going to be true. So basically this double equal operator is equivalent to simply saying whether x is equal to y. Then we're having this exclamation mark and then equal. So this is equivalent to not equal. All right. So if x is not equal to y, then this is gonna be a true. All right. Then we're having the logical or simply the or operator. So the or operator takes both the conditions on its left hand side and on its right hand side. So if one of them is true, then the whole result is going to be true. So basically just a true clause will result in an entire true result, right? So if x is greater than y, so obviously x is not greater than y, so this part is false. All right. X is less than y, this is true, so this part is true. So we're saying false or true, so basically the result is going to be true. All right. Then we're having the logical and or the and operator, and it's actually a double ampersand we're having right here. So the result is only going to be true if all the clauses are true. So basically, if x is greater than 2, or in other words, if 2 is less than x, so this is true, and the x is less than 7, so this is actually true, then we're having a true and true. So this is going to be a result in a true. Alright, so this is the only case for the and to be true. If one of them was false, then the result would have been false. And last we have this not operator. So we agreed that this exclamation mark is equivalent to not. All right. So not result. This means that we're gonna take this Boolean value of the result and we're gonna get the opposite of it. So if this is false, then not false is gonna be true, and if the result is true, then not result is gonna be false. So this is called the logical not operator. So that's it for the Boolean operators in Java. So catch you in the next tutorial.